What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Ash. This is my channel, Living Ash, and I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my sweet and sour cauliflower. Yes, I said it, cauliflower. And a lot of people always question me,
like, Ash, like, how does that even taste good? Like, I hate cauliflower.
no, I'm telling you, this tastes exactly like sweet and sour chicken. And I'm a tough critic because I know what I used to like when I ate meat. And this is almost the exact replica. If not, it's better. Now, if you don't know, I've been pescatarian going on almost 3 years, and I'm constantly looking for things to implement into my diet that honestly I used to love before, but I can't eat now because I don't eat meat. But you know what? Seasoning is your best friend, and we're about to get right into this video. I don't even want to ramble too much. Let's do this voiceover, and I'm gonna show you guys what's up. Right here I have the cauliflower. I'll usually get them from Publix, and once I bring them home, I'll usually cut them, chop them up, put them in a Ziploc bag, which makes it a whole lot easier and more convenient, just so that when I'm ready to make this, it's ready to go. I spent about a good 15 minutes looking for a knife, you guys, and I was unsuccessful in doing so. I ended up having to use a butter knife. It did what it do. It got the job done. But right here, I am cutting up the cauliflower into smaller pieces, only to make sure that I had enough, because I wanted to either give my mom or dad some and obviously have some left over. But you really don't have to do this if you don't want to, especially if you're making this for yourself. Now that the cauliflower is chopped and ready to go, we're gonna add some flavor, some salt. Okay, we need salt, but not too much. Gonna drizzle that salt on there real nice. Perfect. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And now we have the black pepper, you know, not gonna make it too spicy, give it some more flavor. And garlic. I love garlic. Super optional. I add it to everything. I'm a garlic lover. And once we do that, we're gonna toss it up, make sure everything mixes and combines well. Right here I have the olive oil that I'm going to be using. Olive oil is great for baking, and I'm just going to drizzle that on the cauliflower, about 2 caps full. The cap is not that big and you don't need a lot. And then I'm just going to toss that again. Once everything is tossed, I'm going to add some flour. Usually at this point, I'd add the flour and cornstarch together just to make everything stick together once I add my breadcrumbs. But I don't have cornstarch. I picked up baking powder instead by accident. But yeah, I'm going to mix everything up, and then this is when I'm going to add my breadcrumbs. I like the breadcrumbs because it gives it a little bit of crunch, and I like that crunchiness when it gets out the oven. And oh, look at those breadcrumbs. I can't. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and so again, I'm just mixing everything together, and that's really it. Now I'm preheating the oven. I'd usually do this before I even cut up the cauliflower, but I didn't this time. Let's get to greasing the pan. Put some oil on it. I'm using olive oil just so that the cauliflower doesn't stick. I don't want the cauliflower to stick, so obviously that's why I did that. And now we're going to place the cauliflower on the pan. And I'll usually place it all spread out because I don't want them to stick together. And it's that simple. Now that the oven is preheated, we're going to place the cauliflower inside. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to just keep taking a look at it and play it by sight. Right now I'm going to show you guys what you need in order to make that sweet and sour sauce for that cauliflower. You need some garlic, brown sugar, soy sauce. This is a little extra that I add in just for my own liking sometimes, but you don't really need this. You need tomato paste and apple cider vinegar. And of course you're going to want to add some garlic, salt, pepper, things like that, just to help season it, you know, just a little. To give it that extra flavor, you're going to want to add some ginger. So I chopped some ginger up right here. I didn't do too much because I don't want it to taste like complete ginger. And here is the sauce. Everything's already mixed up and together. I let it simmer, added some water, and here it goes. To give it that sauciness, you're going to want to add cornstarch and water, and that's just going to help it get really thick. Once I took the cauliflower out the oven, I simply just added it to the sauce and let it simmer on low and just let everything marinate. I added some sesame seeds and some green onions just to top it off. The cauliflower came out a little bit soft this time, but I wasn't mad at it. And this is the finished product. I put it on some white rice and I made some fried shrimp on the side. The fried shrimp actually came out so good. I promise you guys, you're going to love it. If you want to see a video on how I made this, make sure to comment down below. As a pescatarian, shrimp is everything to me. And when it's fried, oh, it's a delicacy. Trust me, it's so good. So comment down below, let me know if you want to see how I made the fried shrimp. I cannot express to you all anymore how simple, easy, and affordable this is to make using things that are literally lying around your kitchen. And guess what? The cauliflower is vegan, so that's super cool. Cauliflower is also considered a superfood that's up there with acai berries and helps protect against cancer, guys. I hope that you're able to try this out for yourselves because it's so delicious, and I really hope that you guys are able to enjoy it. If you're watching this right now, that means you made it to the end of the video and you are a real one. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, as it was very different for me to film. I'm not really used to doing videos like this, so filming this one was interesting, but it's so cool because I really enjoyed editing this one. If you haven't yet, I want you to give this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out and it really helps me see what you guys like. And I really want you to leave a comment down below letting me know what videos you want to see next from me. I love your suggestions and I love talking to you guys in the comments. I want to start doing shout outs on this channel, and to do a shout out I need you to leave a comment, I need you to like, I need you to subscribe, and I want to be active with you guys. So if you leave a comment down below and say something nice, say something about the video, tell me where you're from, say first, say hi, I will choose your comment and I will shout you out in my next video. So guys, do that. I want to do shout outs. I want to show my love, my appreciation for all the support that I get on my channel. I really love filming videos and doing YouTube, so this makes it so much more worth it just to actually see you guys in the comments and interact with you guys there, because I'm talking to a camera but really like you guys are watching me on your screen. So it's like I love talking to you guys, so make sure that you do that, and I promise I will shout you out in my next video. Make sure that you hit that bell down there. Hit the bell, because guess what? You're going to get notified before anyone else, because some people don't hit the bell, but you're going to be the first to know when Living Ash posts a video. This is crazy. You'll know first. It'll just pop up on your phone and you'll get the notification and you can just click right on the video and you're in there, okay? Trust me, you're gonna want to turn on those post notifications because I post so randomly and I don't really have a schedule yet, so I definitely want you guys to always know when I'm posting next. Again, let me know what you guys want to see from me next. Make sure if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. We're trying to build this family up, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that watch my videos and comment down below. I hope your families are good during this quarantine, social distancing thing. I have a feeling that we're almost out, and I really, truly hope to see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.